थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट बचा था वो भी नीचे गिर गया। टाइमर थोड़ी ना मिलने वाला है मेरे को ढूंढने से। हाँ मिल गया। Yes, I really don't like products which says barrier repair and then disrupt the barrier. This is an airless pump like you can see, but I don't care if you guys hate me for that, but I love it. Cannot even call myself a content creator. I would be so happy if I got paid well, guys. I mean, guys, I'm not opening it. I'm sorry. It is such a mess. Under your arms, underneath your arms. If you want, I can show you like dumping all the items into my trash and coming up with the new set of product empties in next month. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing fine. Welcome to the ritual wherein I share my monthly product empties video. For today's video, I'm going to share all the products that I've emptied out in the month of October. There's going to be a mix of body care, skin care, hair care, makeup, etc. And this is something that I do every month. I don't think there is anyone who does these sort of videos every single month, but I always manage to collect so many items. You have to understand, I did not begin to use these products. These products were targeted to finish, and I've been using these products since a long time. And coincidentally, all these products got over in this month. So I like to share these products with you so that you can get a idea which products I like, which products I don't like, which products I want to repurchase, I've already repurchased, and which products are not worth repurchasing. So these are the items that I managed to finish. Like, it's huge and it is so satisfying to empty out all these products and throw it in your trash. Believe me, it is. So it motivates me to buy more products. I can buy more new launches, try it for you guys, whatever you request me to try, and that way the cycle keep going. I hope you guys like it here. I hope you guys like this video. If any suggestions, let me know in the comment section. And without further ado, let's begin. Without any random order, the first product that I finished out is a body care, and this is the 1% salicylic acid body wash from Be Body Wise. This is my 4th or 5th purchase already. It's a huge quantity. I'm so glad that Be Body Wise does it in a 600 ml or 700 ml quantity, because all the exfoliating body washes of a 250 ml, 300 ml, it just doesn't cut it for me, because I've run out of it like in 15 days time. It is not economical to keep purchasing, and it is not practically possible to keep repurchasing every 15 days for that matter. I really like the scent of it. It has beautiful aqua fragrance, plus it does have like small beads, which kind of also feels little softly gritty, if that makes sense. So it kind of like gives you a fresh, quick, squeaky clean feeling. Apart from that, it also has 1% salicylic acid. I can say it's very safe to use it every day as well, but I use it every alternate day just because it has 1% salicylic acid. I'm definitely repurchasing this. 100% repurchase. Love this product. Next body care product is this whipped foam from Zudio. This is the shower mousse. This one is very inexpensive. I think it's for 145 rupees or so. I really like the concept. The smell is very nice. It's like a candy smell. I really like that moussey texture that comes out. It is very nourishing as well. But the problem is, I don't know whether the fragrance is the problem or the ingredient list is the problem, or it's an inexpensive product. That's the problem. I don't know. But this kind of flared up my body acne, and it kind of became very bumpy. I have one more. I'm still using it, but I honestly regret buying it, and I wouldn't repurchase this at all. Then the next body care item that I finished is another buttercream soap. This one is from Earth Rhythm. Love this one. This is my 3rd tub, if I'm not wrong, and I'm definitely going to repurchase when they go BOGO sale. Really love the fragrance. Pura khatam ho chuka hai, abhi bhi acha fragrance aa raha hai. This is the blueberry variant. It is very nourishing. You need a very pea-sized amount to lather your entire body. It's gonna work very beautiful for the upcoming winter season, even for Mumbai. Definitely repurchasing this one. Even the fragrance is very good. Absolute repurchase. And the next product is this Candid dusting powder. बहुत ही गंदा हालत हो चुका है, but this one is also absolute repurchase because I travel a lot and I go for trekking and etc. This is an absolute must-have for me. I like to dust it in my intimate areas, my axilla, my armpits, wherever I feel there could be like chances of fungal infection, or wherever I feel there could be a lot of sweat. I always like to dust a little bit of this, and over which I wear clothes. That way it kind of like controls the odor as well, absorbs the sweat as well, and prevent you from infection as well. It's available very easily over the counter, or iske bagair mera chalta nahi. I've already repurchased, I've already started using it. Even in summer, those who travel every day, like in train, and those who sweat, even in gym, even while working out, running, I think this is something which is like a must have in my intimate hygiene situation. So an absolute repurchase. The next body care item is this one. This is the Nivea Pearl Beauty Radiance Nivea Roll-On. Need not say anything. This is 0% alcohol one. I keep repurchasing these Nivea Roll-Ons. I think these are OGs. Old is gold, and I think they don't irritate my skin. They are very lasting. They control the odor also very nicely. An absolute repurchase. Another deo roll-on is this one from Earth Rhythm. A couple of you really questioned me. I mean, how is it possible to empty so many products? I do, guys. I do. I'm very practical. I don't like to hoard items. I buy stuffs. I use up those stuff and then go ahead and buy new stuffs. As you can see, मैंने उसको खत्म किया है. इसके अंदर बहुत सारा प्रोडक्ट बचा है, but it's actually impossible to use it without getting messy. I'm not going to repurchase this just now because it's not necessary. It gives a very mentholy feeling and fresh feeling in your armpits. It gives you a very fresh and cooling sensation, which is not required at this weather in Mumbai. So I'm going to repurchase this in summer, but it's very good, non-irritating, but it does not control your odor that much. I'm going to repurchase this in summer, but as of now, I'm not going to repurchase. And the next product empties is this ugly looking perfume. Should I open it? I have taped it for a reason, but मैं इसको खोल देती हूँ ताकि आप लोग को पता चले कितना गंदा हो गया है. This is the perfume from Nisara, and I think the variant is in the spotlight. That's the red. I'll have the picture on the screen so that you guys have a better reference. This perfume, I really liked it. I spoke about it in my recent perfume video. If you haven't watched that, please go and check it out. Some affordable perfume gem. Anyone who loves Mogra or jasmine in their opening note, which also lingers like jasmine, but not in a nauseating and giving headache kind of a way, I think you'll really like it. But the problem was, like, I put this up in my work bag. Because I really like it for the longevity also. Oh my, the packaging kind of gave up on me, and इसके ऊपर जो red color का बहुत aesthetic paint था, it started coming up and it was messy all over my bag. So I didn't want to ruin it. Like, even if you hold it, आपके हाथ में पूरा red लग जाता था. Like, if you can see, the entire red is stripped off. So I had to like duct tape it so that I can use this and finish it. Perfume is really good. आपके vanity में अच्छा लगता है. This is a 50 ml quantity. It's quite affordable as well. But ये packaging की वजह से ना मुझे भी वापस खरीदने का मन नहीं कर रहा. So I'm not going to repurchase this one. Okay, moving on. I have another perfume. इस perfume के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा अभी controversy चल रहा है. This is the perfume from Celestial. Celestial is a brand. If you don't know, they make identical perfume dupes. I wouldn't say dupes, but they call themselves like identical version of the original perfume. So because original perfumes are super expensive, I think they are doing a very good job. I did a first impression sort of a video. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा viral चल रहा है, but उसके साथ बहुत ज़्यादा hatred भी आ रहा है. People are like, I'm scamming. I got paid well by the brand. Trust me, guys, it's a very nice perfume. I've bought 3 variants in it. This is the identical version of YSL Black Opium. I also have the Gucci Flora inspired by Alia Bhatt, and I have another one. I don't remember the name, but it's inspired by David Beckham something. I don't know why I got it, because it's a masculine perfume. I gave it away to my dad. Gucci Flora is in my bag. I use it every day for my work. Or Black Opium, as you can see, I traveled with this. Even the packaging is so bad. I really don't like the packaging, because they didn't put any effort for the packaging. It's just the same print in every perfume, which is absolutely not aesthetic, but I traveled with it and I finished this one. Both the perfumes, Gucci Flora and the YSL Black Opium, are very long lasting, and they literally smell even after washing the clothes. I'm not even kidding. I don't know why you guys don't like it, and I also don't know whether they have changed their formulation, because इनको खरीदे हुए थोड़ा time हो गया है मुझे, like 1 साल हो गया होगा, and I've been using this since then, and अभी मैं ये खत्म कर चुकी हूँ और मेरा Gucci Flora भी खत्म होने वाला है. Trust me, believe me, मैं इनको वापस खरीदने वाली हूँ. And this was not a sponsored video. They don't even know I exist. I'm just a small content creator. I cannot even call myself a content creator. I've just started my journey. So I would be so happy if I got paid well, guys. I mean, if I got paid so well, I'll go and buy the original Gucci Flora. But this one is so good and 100% repurchase. Okay, I have this P Safe ka panty liners. This is again something that I run out of every single month. These are very inexpensive. I like to use it almost every day. I keep changing them like twice a day or something. This kind of is very good to absorb your leaks or your sudden period spottings and sweat hygiene, everything. Like, need not say that. I love this. Definitely gonna repurchase. Let's move on to skincare. The first product is this one from Plum. This is the Cica and Azelaic acid, 10%. Loved this serum. Love this serum, but unfortunately they have discontinued. I am in a lookout for a new azelaic acid serum or moisturizer. Let me know in the comment section if you guys know any good recommendations, because azelaic acid is something that suits me. Retinol is something does not suit me. I have like tried and tested retinols a lot of time. I've given up. Like, it's okay if I age quickly, I don't care, but I'm like done with retinols. But ye khatam ho gaya, I'm really sad. But if you guys have any alternative, let me in the comment section. This is discontinued, otherwise I would have definitely repurchased. Then I finished this 2% salicylic acid gel face wash. ये हर महीने रहता है, कभी कभी मुझे लगता है 20-25 डेज में भी मैं इसको खत्म करती हूँ. आई लव दिस फेस वॉश. दिस इज फ्रॉम Dermacom. If you are acne prone sensitive skin, I think you should definitely try this one. I love it. Definitely going to repurchase. Then I finished this sunscreen from Asaya. This is the Aqua Dew sunscreen. I used it only for my neck area. I did not use it on my face because my face had become very sensitive. I don't want to introduce any new product, and at the same time it was just lying around. I got it in PR, by the way, so I used it on my neck area. It worked pretty well, very lightweight, and all did not leave white cast and all. It is UVA, UVB, fragrance free. It has rice extract and hyaluronic acid. So I cannot really review this for you, but okay, sunscreen I'm not going to repurchase. Then I finished this Garnier Micellar Cleansing Oil. Again, the OG. This is a 400 ml quantity. Decent, मेरे को 3-4 महीना चल जाता है. Definite repurchase, क्योंकि इतना inexpensive, economical और magically काम कोई और cleansing product नहीं करता है. So definitely going to repurchase. I finished one moisturizer. This one is from Within Beauty. This is a Daily Dew Barrier Restore Gel Moisturizer. अभी just मैं लेके आ रही थी तो ये गिर गया और इसका ये टूट गया. It was not like this. In fact, I got this product only because of the packaging. Though the ingredient list and everything is good, it has like a lot of ceramides and everything. But this one has fragrance, and it did not suit me. It gave me major comedons. I don't know whether this is because of fragrance or because of any other ingredient list, but I'm not going to repurchase. I really don't like products which says barrier repair and then they kind of give you acne and disrupt the barrier. It defeats the entire purpose. So yeah, I'm not going to repurchase this one. Then I have another sunscreen. This one is from Wishcare. This is the Niacinamide Oil Balance Fluid Sunscreen. Definitely gonna repurchase. This one is the second tube that I've finished, and I'm just in love with the sunscreen. This is the only sunscreen I travel with. This is the only sunscreen I'm using. I'm not incorporating any other sunscreen to my face right now because I don't want to scare my face. Like, I'm done using like 10,000 products, and I'm not accepting any PR also right now. Very nice chemical sunscreen, good for oily skin types, so definitely purchase. Then I finished one moisturizer again from Within Beauty. This one is the Cica, I think the calming sleeping mask. Again, barrier relief, has a lot of fragrance, and this one was freebie. This also did not work for me. I used twice and I broke out, so I stopped using this, but I'm not gonna repurchase. Then I finished the acne pimple patches from Miniso. This one is the blue one. Dekh lo achhe se, guys. This blue one is good. The other pink and green one is not good. This works like a hydrocolloid patch only, and it's very economical. It's like a 36 patches for 120. So whenever I'm going to Miniso, I always get this blue salicylic acid pimple patch. It's really good. Let's move on to hair care. This one is both from BBlunt, not sponsored. This one is the BBlunt Intense Moisture Shampoo. The way I ran out of it is like crazy. I think within 2 months I ran out of it. This is SLS and paraben free. So this is very good for anyone who has like chemically treated hair and cannot afford those salon professional shampoo and conditioner. I think you should definitely check out this Blue Intense Care range. Even the hair mask is so good. The conditioner is white in color. It's really good, and it's from the same range. This is the BBlunt Intense Moisture Serum. This is also really good. Smells good, really tames out your frizz, and you can also use it as a heat protectant, but I wouldn't like this more than my L'Oreal Extraordinary one. So maybe repurchasing, but BBlunt always has like buy one get one offer. अगर आपको मौका मिलता है तो definitely try out this product. Like, in that way I purchased 4 items: the mask, the conditioner, this one, तो मेरा काम हो जाता है. Like you have to pay for 2 and you can get like entire hair care range. I think you should definitely check out this one. I'm done with hair care. Moving on to makeup. I have a couple of makeup. The first one is the concealer from K Beauty. This one is in the shade 175 tan. Matches to my skin tone so nicely. ये पूरा खत्म हो गया है. Like there is nothing left. So this is the shade. I wouldn't repurchase this one because the coverage is very sheer. Like even after layering, it does not get to even medium coverage. So everyday purpose ke liye maybe you could use this, but go through the pain of using concealer for everyday purpose. Like if I want anything for everyday purpose, I would rather pick up a skin tint or my Dot and Key winter sunscreen. I'm not going to repurchase. Then I finished the inside brow tattoo. This one went viral like from the Inside Cosmetics. What was said to be dupe of Benefit, वो तो मुझे पता नहीं, but मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद था because it used to set my eyebrows and the bristles are very tiny. Like everything about it was good until it dried up on me. It is not an old product. I probably might have used for a couple of months, but it dried out. मैंने अभी इसको discard करने का सोचा because I thought I can revive it, but मैं नहीं revive कर पाई and it is completely dried out. So this was not expected. Like खरीद के 2-3 महीने में drying out, why would I like buy it? So I'm a little disappointed, but I'm not going to repurchase. Comment down in the comment section आप लोग के साथ ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि ये मेरे साथ ही हुआ है. Then I finished one lipstick. This one is from Swiss Beauty. This is the non-transfer lipstick, which is like very old. I mean, not the lipstick, but the range is very old. This one was in the shade Bare. I don't have anything to give you a swatch. A pinky nude lipstick, but it used to wash me out very so slightly. I used to use it with a lip liner, but fair skin tone पे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. Right now, I'm not gonna repurchase lipstick. Like lipstick कोई क्यों ही वापस खरीदेगा because there are like new launches every single day happening. Then I finished, this is from Tint Cosmetics, the Emily in Paris collection. This one was the blush. I think they had only one shade in this. Very beautiful blush. Very, very nice blush. It blends out so nicely. I also used it as a lip tint and बहुत अच्छे से काम किया. And I'm like very surprised. It's the first tint that I finished. A very nice sheer tint. It does give you a very nice room. You can use it after the makeup, underneath your makeup. कोई problem ही नहीं है, patchy भी नहीं होता है. It's very nice tint, but I'm not going to repurchase because I have a lot of tints and blushes. Then this is the Pore Cure Primer from Mascot Cosmetics. This is a very old product. Got it at 2023. The expiry is showing 2027. Mind you guys, Mars Cosmetics is Swiss Beauty के products के shelf life is 4 years plus. But at the towards like after 2 years or towards the end of the expiry date or not even in like way before your expiry date, the product kind of like go rancid or kharab ho jata hai. So I don't know whether the shelf life is actually trustable, like believable or not, but ये almost खत्म हो चुका है, like कुछ बचा नहीं है. But last में ना the product kind of started separating. I'll show you, थोड़ा सा बचा है, मैं बता देती हूँ. कहाँ गया भाई? थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट बचा था, वो भी नीचे गिर गया. अब मैं कहाँ से ढूंढूं? प्राइमर थोड़ी ना मिलने वाला है मेरे को ढूंढने से. हाँ मिल गया guys. So this one was the primer, and you can see it pills so badly, like it balled up and it pills. I don't know whether I could show you or not, but it pills, it balls up. So be mindful of the expiry date as well. And I think we are done. So with that, we have come to the end of the video. I just ran you through all the products just so that it doesn't become very long, and you guys seem to love my product in this video. So show some love, share this video to your friends and whoever you think would enjoy this video as well. And with that, I think I'm gonna take off, and I shall see you in the next video super soon. Bye.